See, already that's looking somewhat smooth because there's at least one little thing in between. But before we continue, I've made one slight mistake. What I was originally meaning to be a breakdown is actually an in-between because there's really nothing else I can add here. Why don't we try detailing this character a little bit? Now, if you had a model sheet, then all you'd have to do is look at that instead of the individual frames. At least here we can just flip between the different frames. Another advantage of a brush with no smoothing, now we can just be very screwy and just mess around in order to get everything right, and then erase what we don't want. Let's have ourselves a generic strongman. Give it bare feet, because why not? After drawing this for a while, you kind of get a feeling for what your character is, what he's shaped like. By the way, beware of tangents. Beware of lines from one piece of the drawing lining up with lines from another part. Everything has to be separate, or it just looks stupid. By the way, it's Zedrin who taught me that not everything has to be drawn in ones. Some frames can just be held for a couple frames of film and it'll still be smooth. Now here's what should have been the most mindless part of the penciling process, in-betweening. See, normally when you're building a figure, you use a collection of spheres and cylinders, very basic shapes that make up a character, but as we get to the in-betweens where everything's close to each other, it pretty much boils down to drawing lines between lines. There's the nose. There's the ears. You know, I don't like this pencil color. I'm confusing it with the onion skin. Once again, because he's accelerating, drawing it very close to the first frame. Seems I forgot a few fingers while I was working on the first frame. Now, supposing we address the one in between here and here. Now, I consider this a case where he's accelerating again from his previous position, so draw it very close to the previous frame. Again, I'm just sort of mindlessly drawing between lines. Now, I could as well as just use the same in between. It would have been like he's slowing to a stop. But sometimes people just notice that sort of thing, and besides which, I consider him just consciously moving from one position to another, so once again I'm going with acceleration. Slow out, or go out from slow. Now, let's just add in this frame. I think I missed something. Yeah, there's the little bit on his shirt. Let's go a little further. Try and finish a little more. Oh yeah, doesn't he have fingers?